In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically export Gmail emails to Google Sheets. This process might seem a bit complex at first, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll find it quite straightforward and manageable. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate over to your Gmail inbox. You can do this by typing mail.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, look towards the upper right corner of your Gmail interface for the Google Apps icon, which appears as a small grid made up of 9 dots. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you're going to want to access the Chrome Web Store to find the necessary extension. In your Google Apps, select the Chrome Web Store by clicking on it. This is where you'll find various extensions that can enhance your browser's capabilities. In the Chrome Web Store, there's a search bar at the top left where you can enter keywords. Type in Export Emails to Sheets by Cloud HQ extension. The search results should lead you right to the desired extension. When you find it, click the Add to Chrome button, which is usually prominently displayed near the top of the extensions page. After clicking Add to Chrome, a pop-up might ask you to confirm that you want to add the extension. Confirm this by selecting Add Extension. Once it's added, it's helpful to pin the extension for quicker access in the future. You can pin it by clicking on the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece in the upper right of your browser, then click the pin next to your new extension. With the extension successfully installed, you'll need to log in using your Gmail credentials if prompted. It's important to ensure you're using the correct Gmail account that contains the emails you wish to export. After logging in, you can select the specific emails or labels you want to export to Google Sheets. To start exporting, you'll use the Start Wizard feature of the extension. When you're in the wizard, choose the Export to Google Sheets option. This is crucial, as it directs your emails to be sent to a Google Sheet rather than any other format. Go ahead and click on Start the Wizard to initiate this process. During this setup, you'll have options to save and organize attachments through the Attachments Manager, which can help you manage what's included in your export. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the export setup. The extension will take over from here, automatically exporting your selected emails to a Google Sheet. Keep in mind that if you have a significant number of emails, this process might take some time, so patience is key. And there you have it. Your emails should now be neatly organized in a Google Sheet. This method is a fantastic way to manage and sort through vast amounts of data efficiently. Happy exporting, and thanks for watching.